So good morning. It's day 4. Let's go for a walk and see how things go. Trying something different. We've bought this gimbal and we'll see if it works today for our walk. Getting used to this thing. Not sure exactly how it works, but I guess we'll find out as we go along. I'm going to go a little bit different route today. It's again another nice day. A little windy. You might hear that on the camera. Sorry for the wind noise. Not much I can do about that, unfortunately. And yeah, it's a little windy, but it's not too terrible. The other thing it is this morning is it's warm, which is really weird. Usually we don't get this warm in late September. I think they're calling today to be in the mid-20s, which, like I said, is very weird. Usually we're getting into the low teens, mid-teens this time of year. Across the busy street here in our town. So a little bit of water puddle. But we should be able to get over that pretty easily. We've done a very good job of clearing out leaves and stuff to make sure that the water flows. You may have remembered this from when Wendy and I went for a walk. Same pathway. I'm just going at a little bit of reverse. And I don't think I'll be going as far as what Wendy and I did that other day. Most of the time I'm going an alternate route towards the high school over there. But I thought I'd keep it on this path. Something that are nice about walking these pathways is nothing to do with traffic. This early in the morning, won't be a lot of people out walking these pathways. Which again, advantage to me, the fact that I don't have to worry about a bike rolling up behind me or lots of people, and you can see the whole experience. Looks like there's a huge flock of geese coming this direction. I don't know if you can see that in the sky. Might be able to hear them coming up pretty soon. It's that time of year. Birds moving. Preparing themselves for winter. Might have some rain today. Looks like there's some darker clouds coming in from the west. Well, they were forecasting it yesterday, but it never came. Because I would have been walking in it if it came. So that's typical of the prairies, though. We're in a position where the weather changes pretty much hourly out here. Never get a consistency, that's for sure. And especially with COVID-19 going on, it seems like the forecasts have been off all summer. So that's the difference between the mornings and the afternoon walks with Wendy is the birds and animals, they seem to be out a little bit more prevalent in the morning, at least closer. They're not, they don't have so much going on that they can't come out. Take a look, see what it is. And we're back to the busy road here fairly soon. I think that's where I'm going to leave you off right now. Thanks for taking the walk with me. If you got this far, leave a comment down below. Just let me know. Maybe there's something that you see while I'm walking or whatever that interests you or you want to see. And I'll be glad to talk about it or show it. Anyhow, we will talk with you tomorrow, or maybe this afternoon, maybe tomorrow, I don't know. Whenever you see this, we'll see you again. Thanks. Bye.
Good morning. Well, it's not morning. Well, it still is morning. It's 10:34, and I'm just learning how to use this gimbal. So hi. We're going to be going for a walk later on. You've seen Derek went out for a walk this morning. If you haven't realized yet, I'm not a morning person. So that's why we go for walks in the afternoon or in the evening, just so I can get my exercise in. Today I ended up doing some editing, and now I'm going to be filming a video on how to silicone. I used to work for a company. It was a very short time that I worked for the company, but my job there was to silicone camper trailers. So I don't know, kind of know how to do it. Let me show you. How do I turn this around? Okay, so I'm trying to learn how to work this thing. Okay, well anyways, I ended up, how do I work this thing? Let's see here. Nope, 1, 2. Okay, there we go. I think I'm in control now. Maybe. No, I'm not. Okay, so this area here is I'm going to be siliconing right here. I ended up painting this wall. Our whole kitchen used to be a different color. 14 years ago, I think it was, I ended up painting it a different color when we moved here. When we moved here, the kitchen was yellow and was not my favorite color. So I ended up painting it. It was like a gray color. This back wall behind me was a darker color, and then the other walls in the kitchen were a lighter gray. I'll see if I can find some photos and insert some photos in this video to show you what it used to look like and what it looks like now. We had some wall damage from, years of bumping into the wall and scratching and whatever, so I had to repair that and fix it. So finally got around to getting to the day where I can just finally silicone this area. There used to be a bulletin board up on this wall, and okay, let's see if I can focus on myself. I get it. There we go. And so I took it down because I didn't want it there anymore. Eventually I want to put up some shelves so we can put some plants or pictures or just kitchen appliances, or, well, not kitchen appliances, but like something anyways for decorative stuff. Our kitchen isn't very big, so it'd be nice to have a little bit of extra storage. Anyways, I'm going to be making this video for my other channel. I'll link it in this video once it's up, and once this video is up, if you want to check it out, you can see how I end up siliconing this little section. We'll see how it goes. I have some silicone from, you know, a few years ago when I did a little bit of work in the kitchen and in the bathroom, so you can find out more information on that video. So I guess we'll see you later when we go out for our walk. And okay, we'll talk to you in a bit, a few hours later.
Is it moving quite a bit?
I'm moving quite a bit, but it's pretty stable, I think. Well, we're on our way to pick a spot to go for a walk. I think we're gonna head back to that place we were a couple days ago, and walk the other direction because we really like that area. And this time we have the gimbal with us, so you won't be seasick, I guess. So, all right, we'll see you there. Tracking. I didn't do anything.
You must have hit a button.
Don't know.
What? Panoramic photo. You'll see once it's all, it's a 3x3 panoramic photo. Actually, that's really nice. It's amazing what this thing can do.
He's got a feather in his beak.
Yeah, they're probably pruning themselves. All these are smaller geese, but there's some big ones in there.
It's funny how on Thanksgiving people always eat turkeys. I don't think anybody's ever eaten a goose.
Sure. In England, they're very common to eat goose for like Christmas and times like that.
Alright guys, we're coming to the end of the road. Push it up with the remote. There you go, we're learning. Walking wasn't too bad this time for me, but my right leg was hurting, I think because again the sidewalk isn't level, so but we're both breathing kind of hard. And again, it was probably about 20 minutes. So
yeah, around that 20-minute time. Yeah, a little tired. Ready to go home and have something to eat and rest.
It's been a long day. So
alright, we'll talk to you guys later.
okay, we'll see you later guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.